Alright guys, so today we're going to be using this top water lure, this lunker hunt finesse worm, and these bandito bugs by Guggen Baits. And we might use this cycle bait underspin. I don't know yet. But first of all, we're going to start off with this top water, see if we can get some top water action. And we did just get these from a mystery tackle box. So if you want to see the unboxing, go ahead and watch that video as well. Here she is, purple, pink. We're gonna rig her up real quick. We're just gonna cut the tag off. We're gonna go cast it out. And we have 5 minutes on each of these lures. Really? You got one? Good job, Oliver. On the dough bait?
I don't know why, but I keep getting massive, massive bites.
Really? Go throw them in there. Nice. Here. Sheesh. Yeah.
Got that purple one?
Trying to get that turtle. Look, look. Alright you guys, we ain't getting no luck with this popper. Oh, beautiful.
You trying to get that turtle? It's doing this big rock in here. Yeah, that's what I saw. Look under it. Imagine that you just catch the blue gal.
We're gonna go over here to this little structure, see if there's anything. One more cast with this one. We're gonna put it up. Whoa, never mind. Whoa. We got a technical difficulty. We're not even gonna mess with that. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it. All right, you guys, we just moved to the second fishing spot, and Oliver literally just caught one already. Look at that. And there's a red hook right there. Let's go. Free red hook.
Wait.
EWG.
So there's a bait.
Free bait too. Let's go.
I'm gonna get it.
Throw it in the boat back so we don't lose it. We're gonna use these pre-rigged finesse worms. Here's what they look like. They're 3 inches.
We made our own dough bait.
Huh?
Our own dough bait is full of glitter.
No, we ain't got no other bait. First cast of the day. Not first cast of the day, first cast of the linker log. Good job.
Tiny dog.
It's okay. Perfect. That's what we want. What's up, little fishy?
Thank you.
Thank you for biting. You going in the aerator. And the aerator. Alright, time to throw this one more time.
There you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Cool.
Wait, mommy, put it
In the boat back here?
in the book bag. Thank you.
Good job.
I got one with the glitter. The glitter.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yeah, and I just got one too.
I'm coming. All right, you guys, I think we're gonna skip bass fishing and we're gonna go straight to brim fishing. Yeah, keep it. She wants to keep it.
We just left this one.
Nah, dang.
Forehead.
Oh no!
Whoa,
Yes,
look at that big thump on his forehead.
Ooh.
That's funny.
You think that's like a broken bone or a timber?
No. This is how the males are.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the males have big humps on their head.
Look, Trey, I caught one with the glitter. No joke, I just caught one.
Good job.
Ow, why is there so much mosquito?
He has a nice hump.
I've been using it.
Joy, all of us got one. Triple up.
Triple up, man.
This one was pulling too hard.
Oh my goodness.
Joy made a sound, look.
It went.
Yeah, did you hear that? It was fighting too hard. What the heck? Oh no, this one has red eyes. I told you, look, it was pulling too hard to it.
This fish's eye is red. Like the color on it. Not his whole eye, but like. You doing like another tiny one?
Oh,
The color of his eyes are red.
Really?
so they do like this.
I'm not gonna do no more bass fishing cause we ain't no good at no bass fishing. We're gonna go straight to brand fishing. 'Cause bass fishing, be out fishing for 2-3 hours and get no bite. And me personally, I like to catch fish.
Me too.
I don't like casting every 3-4 seconds. I like getting hooked on every 3-4 seconds. You know what I mean, jelly beans?
Everybody. Oh, look at his eyeballs. Look at his eyes.
I think they're spawning again.
Spawning.
Well, that's what they're when they have.
That one.
Good job, buddy. I saw that.
Minecraft.
So I got one on
Look
the
at his
glitter.
eyes.
So I got
He has
one on the
calico
glitter.
eyes.
So I got one
They're
on
like
the
orange
glitter.
and white. You see? These are like.
So I got one on the glitter.
Really?
That was pretty. Look at that one. It looks like the glitter.
Oh, this one's the all white one. Here, let me get the hooks out and then.
I got him on the glitter.
Hold them by the lip. Go throw them in the aerator.
Can you hold him by the top lip?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe. Never tried.
Try. If you get hurt, I'm sorry. No.
When it was done, God said, "Take your family and 2 of every animal into the ark." Animals creeped, crawled, hopped, and galloped onto Noah's new boat. After everyone was inside, the rain began to fall and fall and fall. The ark rocked this way and that way on the rising water.